Order people, next call in the cove to see the problem. You can see the wires. People like to put them under the grill and zip time. Well, zip ties eventually break. That's why I put mine through here, so when the zip ties break, they stay up here. Well, this one fell through. You can tell it was arcing into this fan mold, this blade. So most likely this motor is no good because there was power coming to it, and the fuse didn't even tripped. It's crazy how it didn't trip, but either way, let's see if we can get this. Okay, people. Got a new motor. The thing is, I put a new capacitor for the compressor because and I installed this 4 years ago. This customer doesn't pay for me to maintenance this unit. Couldn't remember, but you can see I was here 4 years ago. Other than that, new capacitor right now and good to go. There you go, people.